Hello friends, how are we all? Trust all over the world. Welcome and thank you for joining me on this session today. Do not forget to press the like button and also subscribe my channel and do press the bell button. So for the session of today, come. One fine foggy morning, we decided to make Batata Vada, Maharashtra's famous crispy, crunchy and spicy, antioxidants, high energy, fiber and protein loaded breakfast come anytime and every time snacks. But before I tell you the recipe, it's Om Namo Shri Ganeshaya Namah. Ignite the darkness of our assumptions and presumptions and bless us with sharp sight, clear hearing and keen curiosity, true knowledge, deep wisdom and far-sighted vision. And now for the recipe. Aag lagao and set up a cooker with enough water to boil potatoes in. Now add the potatoes and no salt, no turmeric. Cap shut the cooker and allow to boil. When done, allow to cool and only then peel off the skin. Yes, allow the potatoes to cool and then peel off the skin. Now grate or mash the potatoes. And when done, that's how they should look. Add garden fresh green chilies, parsley or cilantro or coriander leaves and ginger. Add red chili powder, Himalayan or any natural salt, coriander powder, turmeric powder, cumin powder and juice of 1 lemon or mango powder. But I'll always prefer the juice of lemon. And when done, aag lagao and tadka or temper pan. Add peanut oil, asafoetida, and when it sizzles and color changes, add mustard seeds. Now, when done, add the tadka or temper to the potato mix. Yes, add sugar and mix well, mix well, mix well. Now, taste to add corrections if required. If any, no, none at all, it's perfect. Now, cut and roll into golf ball sized balls. There. When done, now water to make the batter. Gram or chickpea flour, red chili powder, coriander powder, Himalayan or any natural salt, turmeric powder, cumin powder, baking powder, and add little water and mix. Always add water little by little and mix in well to prevent formation of lumps. Now add more water, mix in well into a free-flowing and a lump-free batter. It has to be free-flowing, it has to be lump-free. There you are, a free-flowing and lump-free batter at any cost. Taste and add corrections if required, if any. A little bland. More red chili powder and mix in well again. Now check again. The batter must be lump free and free flowing, dropping consistency. There you are. Perfectly done. So this is the amount of total water that we have consumed. Now आग लगाओ and bring on a kadai, skillet, wok or a deep bottom fry pan. Now add enough peanut oil to deep fry the potato balls in. Add the potato balls to the batter and coat them well with the batter. When done, make sure they are well coated. Now, when done, this is what they should look like. Now, add them one by one to the hot oil to deep fry and add them slowly and carefully. Let them deep fry undisturbed for a little time. And as the batter begins to firm up, allow them to fry undisturbed. And occasionally stir and flip them. There. They don't stick to each other. Now occasionally stir and flip them again. Also stir and flip them to ensure they cook well and become crispy, crunchy on all the sides equally. There you are. Looking good, isn't it? That is what is required. Well cooked, crispy, crunchy on all the sides. There. Now, switch off the heat and bring them out and allow the excess oil to drain and drip back. When done, plate them and add green chilies to the hot oil, deep fry them briefly. They fry very quickly. So bring them out, drain the excess oil and serve the batata vadas as such with fried green chilies and sauces, dips and chutneys, or you can also serve them as vada pav as done in Maharashtra and other parts of India, and serve to all your known.
So friends, do try it and do treat all your near and dear, and above all, your enemies too. Thanks for watching. Bye. Have a nice time. And as I always say, to live healthy, cook healthy and eat healthy.